Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're looking at the beautiful B6 in the Montrose at Buffalo Bayou. This is part 3. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to walk inside the bedroom. The bedroom is really big. This is the master. That's a king-size bed, and there's still plenty of room. Wow, look at all this space. There's the king bed, there's the 2 nightstands, and there's a lot more. So we're facing inside. This feels really good in here. It feels really private. I like the feel in here personally, and the walls look great. Feels really modern and clean and great. In here also is the closet. Wow, big size. It goes back probably about 10 feet at least. So plenty of space in there. And then here's your bathroom. Wow, okay, really nice size also. The bathroom's great. You've got that beautiful walk-in shower here, separate tub in here, and then you've got this really nice dual sink area here too. So this is large, lots of drawers, and hey, this is going to work really well for if you choose to live here at the Montrose at Buffalo Bayou. So that's the master bathroom. We'll go check out the guest just real briefly, just so you can see it. Probably about 20 seconds of looking. So we're walking over here. Here's the guest. Oh, the guest is actually a nice size too. I love this. Can have a king in here easily. I love it. And wow, it looks great in here. I like those mirrors, by the way. Those are kind of cool, unique mirrors in there. The closet, that's a little smaller, so I wish that were a little bit bigger. But the bedroom is good overall. And then here's the bathroom. This is what the bathroom looks like. The bathroom's cool. Now this has just the bath shower combination. And then here is the bathroom itself. Oh, good. They do have another closet. So the 2 closets together definitely help a lot. Okay, that's what it looks like here at the Montrose at Buffalo Bayou. And what's your thoughts? I'd love to hear what you're thinking about it. Send me a text on the number below and say, hey Grant, I kind of like this place. I'd like to get more information. It's got my name on it. Or, hey, I like it, but I'd like to hear maybe more about other choices in the Houston area. So either way, send me that text and we'll chat. Hey, we're about to see some more at the Montrose Buffalo Bayou. We're getting to that just right now in the next videos.